Hello friends, good morning. Now Diwali is coming and many people are preparing for this. The businessmen, the youth, family, many people are getting ready for this Diwali. And Diwali means we know that people buy a lot of firecrackers, lights, and these are good business. But we know these crackers destroy our environment. So why not we use some lamps or diyas to celebrate Diwali instead of using firecrackers? So we know it is harmful. Many people die, many get injured, and so on and so forth. So let us try to celebrate Diwali in a good spirit. We speak of green firecrackers, but it is a contradictory word. Now we really don't get green firecrackers. They are all harmful to the environment as well as to the people. To make firecrackers, they use sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. These are all harmful for the people. Supreme Court once banned it, but later on it relaxed. But it has laid down strict rules how to crack. It's given time 18th of October and 21st of October. It has also specified the time between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. and evening 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. And now it is the administration to implement it. Imagine the amount of people bursting crackers, the amount of city we have, the amount of villages we have, it is massive. In conclusion, I want to say let us not use firecrackers to save our environment. Let us use lamp and lights. It is the best way to celebrate Diwali. Happy Diwali and have a good time.